Limitation of current Security Operations Center. Managing of numerous security tools. As a wider range of security suites are being adopted by SOC and CERT, it becomes even more difficult to effectively monitor all of the data has been generated by the multiple endpoints. Typically, SOC use more than 15 to 20 technologies for managing their infrastructure. So to get a high level view, it is very crucial to monitor all the technologies that use in the organization. Meeting compliance legal guidelines. As growing large number of rules and regulations and company has to be keep up to their standard such as HIPAA, NIST, GDPR and many more. Using an example of an incoming global data protection regulation taking effective on 25th May 2018, it is more important for Security Operations Center to have a mandatory process and procedure clearly in place which are produced in a legal and procurement manner. Shortage of skilled human resources. Most of companies and industrial workforce come and goes, but knowledge transfers it. Particularly important within the Security Operations Center and Incident Response Team to ensure the current response and process taking a place within a minimal amount of time, reducing the time of incident detection and of incident response. Increasing volume of security alert and increasing a number of security devices, it generates a huge amount of logs in the network, such as network device log, proxy log, application log, database log, and can be server log. As you can probably imagine, the analyst time could be a better spent working on more sophisticated alert that need a human intervention.